Hey there, talk about new month, new gear. Guess what? Somebody decided to gift me something special, and SONY FX3. This camera has an inbuilt fan to enhance shooting for long hours without overheating. So as you can see, the body is really nice and very portable and not too heavy. And if you're into cinematography, FX3 is perfect because it has full frame. About quality, this camera shoots at 4K to up to 120 frames per second, all in 10-bit 422. I got these two beautiful Sony lenses from Cameras Africa. As a videographer, this camera does not limit you. It has the S-Log 2 and 3 to maximize during color grading while editing. So guys, the Sony FX3, it's ready to shoot, and I'll be explaining more features of this camera in the next video, so stay tuned.